Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you today with a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. We know the Montauk series has been tried and true for many years. This is a really cool 15-foot version of that boat. At the bow, you've got a large storage compartment here that is insulated, could be used as an anchor locker or a fish box or a cooler. The boat is pre-rigged for a trolling motor up here, so you could add one if you would like. We have put the fishing package on this boat, which includes the cooler seat here with cushion, the extra rod holders, and then there's a live well at the back of the boat I'll show you in just a minute. On this side of the helm here, you've got some great storage. You'll notice there's two battery boxes. One's for the boat, the other one would be for the trolling motor, so it's already set up and wired, so really easy to add that. Some great storage in the helm here. For a 15-foot boat, they've actually added us a lot of room here to put a flush-mounted display, so you can put your electronics up here. All the controls are very accessible at the helm. You've got your nice gauges up here and things like that. This boat does have the bimini top on it. This helm, the leaning post here has a movable seat, so you can turn it into a rear-facing seat, which puts us to the back of the boat, which is a new design for this year, where you've got some space here for extra rod holders, a couple 5-gallon buckets, and your bait well built in right here at the back. We've put the 60 horsepower Mercury with command thrust, so extra torque. It's a really great performing boat. It's a perfect little fishing boat for Galveston Bay, maybe just in rivers and lakes, etc. Perfect family boat to get everybody out on the water and love boating. Thanks for looking at this 2019 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk at MarineMax Houston. Thank you.